So today is the day which we decorate my front porch for Christmas. It's still fall and we do not wear shoes in the house, so look at all these shoes. They're supposed to take the shoes and put it straight into the shoe closet, but I'm guilty of it as well. As you can see, my crocodile flats, but all of this is so messy. So before I lose sunlight, as you guys can see, it's getting dark. I'm gonna go ahead and get all of this taken care of. Let's do it.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. You won't even imagine how excited I was filming this video for you guys. Guys, this is going to be my front porch. As you guys know how I decorate very minimally, but for this front porch I just wanted the cozy feeling of Christmas, and I think I did the most. It may not be all of that for people, but for me it's exactly what I like. A little bit of Christmas light, some wreath here and there, and I could add more, but as you know, as I've been practicing and living minimalism here in my home, I don't want to do too much, but in my eyes everything is always too much. But yes, let's get into the video. I'm going to go ahead and clean the front porch, remove all the leaves from fall that landed on my front porch, and go ahead, sweep the floor, and then start decorating.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
So I'm gonna go ahead and turn upside down the, what is it called, rug that was on my front porch right here. And when you buy something, don't just buy for just a season or something that you cannot utilize all the time. Buy something, invest money into something you can use all the time, and this is exactly that. The other side wasn't that dusty, so I went in and turned it upside down. Yes, I'm not wasting any more money buying any more rug or anything for outdoor. I'm trying to utilize everything that I currently have in my home. So yeah.
Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So what I really wanted to do here was to actually put a throw blanket and a throw pillow, just very like cozy, have some red and things like that, but that's not realistic. I live in a snowy state. If it snows, these will be trashed out. So I'm gonna keep it simple and just put a cute little Christmas tree there. If the wind blows, it won't fall because it's ceramic. It's a little bit heavier than your normal Christmas decoration. But yeah, and all. Quick question for you guys. Do you guys decorate your front porch with light? This is my first year to ever put light like this on the door or in my front porch area ever. So I am in love with it. Every night I go and plug it in because it's not remote control, so I have to manually plug it in, and I just fall in love with it every day. And that Christmas wreath is just so beautiful with the red and a little bit of green peeking through. And I'm also going to show you guys a night shot. It's just so pretty and just so cozy. But I saw that it was a little bit long on the other side and short on the other side, so I went in and I got that fixed. But it looks so good.
Oh,
Okay guys, so this will be all for today. Please don't forget to watch all the videos that will be popping up on the screen for you. I'll make it easier for you guys to watch. And if you're new here, click on that subscribe button. I would love to have you. And I'm going to go ahead and add that flower right on the side there. I just think it looks so cute. Thank you so much guys for watching. God bless you guys. Bye bye.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice